So to achieve this look, I'm using this lace front wig, and it's from Pudding Hair. This hair was sent out to me, and it is in the Brazilian body wave in 24 inches. So I kind of wanted to try something different, so I wanted to go for like a bob. I never usually do bobs, so I tried something. And I'm just taking a hair tie, and I'm going to tie that to where I want my bob to be at, where I want it to be cut at, and I'm just adjusting it to the length that I want. And now I'm just taking my hair scissors, and I'm going to cut the excess hair, and I'm gonna cut from below the hair tie. You don't want to cut above, because you know you can always take off hair, but you can't put it back. So you know, if you want to try this and you're not familiar with cutting hair and stuff, I would advise you to cut less. You know, you can always go back in and take some more hair off. But anyway, this hair, it only has water in it, and as you can see, it's very nice and wavy. And I'm just going to dry it with my hair dryer, my blow dryer, and I'm just taking my hands to scrunch this hair, and that's going to help, you know, form the curls a bit more and hold it in place while it dries. A diffuser would have been much better, but I don't have one, and you don't need one, but it would help a lot more. So I'm just gonna take my hands and kind of scrunch this hair up and allow it to dry in that form. So now I'm going to apply my wig, and I'm using Got To Be Glue, and I'm using the yellow one. It does get kind of flaky after like a day or so, so I don't necessarily like it, but I don't know what else to use. So if you guys have any suggestions for adhesive for your lace fronts, please let me know in the comment section. But as for right now, I'm using Got To Be Glue, and because I know what to expect, so I'm using Got To Be Glue, and I'm just going to apply my wig. And once I put this on, my wig is not going anywhere, okay? So now I'm done, and I'm just going to cut in some baby hairs. I did pluck my hairline already, so I don't need to do that. I might go in and pluck some more, just because, you know, I'm a perfectionist and I want it to be perfect. But as of right now, it's been working fine. So I'm just going to take my comb and pull some hair out, and take my eyebrow razor and cut off that excess hair. Next, I'm going to use my Eco Styler gel just to hold my baby hairs in place. And you kind of want to play around with it, because, you know, it just depends on that day, you know, how your baby hairs are going to look. So I'm just going to play around with it until it looks the way I want it to look. So now I'm done, and my hair is kind of dry, so I'm just going to take some water. This bottle only has water in it, and I'm going to spritz my hair to get it a bit damp. That way I can add some more volume and scrunch it a lot better, because it's actually on my head, as you can see, like this. And this hair is very soft. I don't receive any shedding. I might receive a few strands when I'm detangling, but nothing much. And now I'm gonna take my my coconut curling cream, and I'm going to add that to the hair, and it also helps, you know, create that curl and hold it in place. And I'm just going to use my hands again and scrunch to add more volume and to get kind of a messy look, because I like that look. I'm just going to use my hands and scrunch, and that's it. This hair is very easy to manage, I just threw this on, spritz with water, maybe some coconut cooling cream, and that's it. I'm done. I'm out the door. And that's it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I will definitely leave the link to their website in the description box, and I would see you guys next time.